guys, welcome back to my channel. So we've actually got a really exciting video today. We're actually going to be headed up to a company I've wanted to work for ages, so I'm actually so excited. So for today's video, we're actually heading up to Gloucester to see the guys down at Forge Motorsport, and they're going to be installing. I want you guys to guess quickly in the comments what you think they're going to install. You got like 0.5 seconds. Time's up. Anyway, they're going to be installing a blower valve onto my Audi A1. So if I quickly pop the bonnet, I'll show you guys where it is, where the old one is. I don't really know. We're just gonna wing it. I'll quickly show you guys. So basically, from my knowledge of an engine bay, the blower valve is gonna be somewhere in it. I haven't got a clue, don't know. When we head up to Forge, I will get them to explain to you guys what a blower valve does, where it is, what the actual purpose of it. All I know is it sounds cool. That's quite literally the only reason I wanted one, because it sounds cool. So yeah. But yeah, I'm super excited to be heading up to Gloucester to see the guys down at Forge Motorsport tomorrow. I'm super blessed and grateful that they're bringing me up to fit my blower valve for me. I actually can't wait. A quickly little time travel back to yesterday, because I actually got Marcus from PRISTINE, TINTS and Detailing to clean my car for me, because all my day it was the dirtiest car you'll ever see. I posted on my Instagram and everyone was like, what have you been doing? So yeah, I thought I can't really head up to Forge with my car looking like that. So I did get him to clean it, and it looks pretty good, I'll say. You know, I'll give it him. He's done a top tier job.
Trees are in green, the ocean is grey, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Ready to go, the feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins.
But yeah, let's get back in my car, and I will see you guys at like 6:30 tomorrow morning when we start the drive up to Gloucester to see the guys at Forge Motorsport and get a blower valve installed on my Audi A1. And I'm fucking so excited. Let's go. Okay, so we successfully made it down to Forge, kind of, because we have actually ended up with a flat tyre. If you have a look, my back rear, that is the rear, it's flat, you can see it literally. So first job for them, they are actually going to pump my tyres up for me before we leave. But yeah, we've made it down to Forge, ready to get the blower valve installed on my Audi A1. I'm so excited. Their unit is super sick, so we're actually going to have a little tour of that later on. But first up, we're going to get the car into the unit, get it up on the ramps. I'm guessing he's putting on the ramps. Gonna get the blower valve installed onto my Audi A1. I'm actually so excited. I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars they've got as well. So they've got some really sick cars down at Forge. But yeah, let's get my Audi A1 into the Forge unit, ready to get the blower valve installed. Let's go.
Valve there. So a map sensor there, so we're going to put a billet adapter for the vacuum takeoff there. New valve on there, pretty straightforward.
Alright, so do you want to quickly introduce yourself? yourself, tell us about the blow valve.
Yes, we'll do. Yeah, okay. So I'm Paul. I'm one of the developers at Forge Motorsport. So today we're fitting one of our forged dump valves to the Audi A1. Factory valves. This one is a Pierberg valve. Over time, they start to, as they get a bit older, the rubber inside can start to perish. So with our valves, they are piston-based valves, and they're serviceable. So they're serviceable, but also crucially, you can change spring rating. So we do find that some cars when they're heavily tuned, not so much as the 140 TSI, but if you've got like heavily tuned, it's a normal working day. Do you know what I mean? We do different spring ratings. Green is usually for a standard vehicle. We do a yellow spring, which we use for most matte vehicles, and then we do blue and reds for like heavily tuned vehicles with big turbo boost. Mainly because when you're running big boost, big power, they can start to bleed out a bit of boost, start to leak. So that's why with ours we've got like the different spring ratings to make sure you don't lose any boost when you start turning the whip up. And also it's a nice bit of engine bay jewellery, you know? It looks cool, you know? So, yeah, that's right, yeah. And it's a blow-off valve. Is this a blow-off valve going for today? Then you get the traditional forge blow-off noise. That's what everyone wants.
That's what I said. I said that's the only reason I keep going. That's why I just want the noise.
Yeah, no, totally. Yeah, no, they're a cool thing, and we sell loads of them. It's quite a cheap modification to do as well. So, you know, we'll get cracking, and we'll see in the video how it's done.
Nice.
Right, so first stage is disconnect the wiring harness to the OE valve. So there's a little flat blade in there. Just pull the tab back, and then the loom is disconnected. Next we've got to undo 3 fasteners on here. They're T30 Torxes. So just crack them off.
It's such a mini little thing.
It's
so cute.
This bit of kit. I'm not gonna do brands, but you know, it is. It's a backer one, but
it's cute.
And they have a good. It is mint, this thing. Now, if you're doing this normally, you don't do it after it's done an hour's drive because the turbo's still.
You're gonna have burnt fingers.
Yeah, well, you get used to asbestos hands now. When fitting these valves, we've got 2 grooves in there, and you get these 2 O-rings. So the little one goes on the bottom. The larger one goes on the base flange there. Now, we have had many a time where the valves are leaking.
Oh, because they haven't put.
So, like with all our products on the website, it's a little bit hard to find sometimes on the website, but we have got full fitting instructions. So we always recommend printing them off and just
following them
first, and then just follow. Yeah, because if you follow instructions, they're pretty good. They are pretty good.
Look at that, quite heavy, aren't they? That one's not as heavy.
As we said in the introduction, if you want to change out the internal spring because you've tuned your vehicle and running, it's only if you're running more boost. Just twist off, and then you're left with the spring inside the piston. Just chop them out, and then reattach. And we supply it. To the turbot. So we're using the old fasteners. Just go gentle, just doing by hand to start with. The electronics to the valve.
Oh, lovely.
So we supply a Pierberg valve, and then this just activates, because we're going to link that up to the original loom, and that activates the valve, opens and closes it. There we go. So that goes into the solenoid, that goes into the battery loom.
As it connects them then?
Yep. So that will plug in like so, and then that will plug into the solenoid. Job's good, so it's real straightforward.
Nice.
From our vac takeoff here, we've now attached the supplied vacuum silicone pipe to it, cable tie on the port end, and you just run that underneath, follow some of the other pipe work, and we'll cable tie that up to neaten it in a bit to come to the solenoid. I want to go to this output here. that's why people buy them.
That's all I wanted it for. No, thank you very much.
No worries, not a problem at all. I had like 8 PSI in it.
Fucking hell.
Not a lot.
That's shit, that is.
Yeah.
My blue was a bit skiddy.
Yeah, I bet it did.
Skiddy on
A little bit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
woo! We just done a quick service stop. Some big hoops. Wait, listen to this. I will show you guys properly when we stop, and I'll do a little thing. But wait, listen. Do it? A little bit. I'll do it properly when we stop. I'll show you guys. But it actually sounds sick. Like I've been just going along when I drive, just like. Oh, that's sick. How long have we got left to go home? 40 minutes. Oh, that's quite long. It's not long, but it feels long. Okay, so we've made it home from Forge. My car actually sounds sick. Like, I'm so happy with the sound of it. Forge worked fucking wonders on my car. It was actually a super easy like install. Like I didn't know kind of how long it would take them. They got it in literally like so quick, like half hour. He didn't even wait for it to cool down. He just started straight away. So massive shout out specifically to Paul who fitted my blow-off valve, and also to Zach who kind of organised the whole thing. We sorted through the emails, me coming down and stuff, so massive shout out to both of them, really appreciate it. Zach also showed us around the whole like unit, like where they fabricate the Forge stuff, like all the different machines, because my God, there's so many machines in that place, it's ridiculous. I don't even, he was telling me about them and I was sat there like, babe, I still don't know what this does. Quickly, before I show you guys properly my blow-off valve, if you guys are interested in any Forge products at all, they supply so many different things for every like different car. I will pop my discount code on the screen for you, which will get you guys 10% off. So if you guys want to buy anything, obviously use my discount code and save yourself some money. But yeah, I think we should pop the bonnet and listen to the blow-off valve, because it's actually sick. I've been like, the whole way home, I've just been like accelerating on my car and then letting off, and it's like, I'm like, ah! I'm gonna pop the bonnet. Obviously, we've got the blow-off valve. It's here. My car's warm because we've been driving around for ages. Let's listen to the blow-off valve. That's fucking sick! Pop gas. Oh, that's all I can say. I just love Forge. They're sick. Super sick. Oh my God. At some point very soon I will actually be looking at getting an induction kit for my A1, so hopefully that'll probably make the blow-off valve sound a little bit louder, a bit different, and obviously the induction kit's just gonna make my car better, hopefully. If anyone has any suggestions actually on where I should get my induction kit from, obviously comment them down below, just so I've got a rough idea of where I should look, because I do need to get one soon. I feel like it's needed. I just don't know where to get it from. Do you know what we've got to do? Because we do this is my favourite part of every video. I've got a Forge sticker, didn't I? So that's gonna have to go on my Sunstrip. We're gonna give it prime place in front of my driver's side. Big sticker. I'm gonna peel my sticker. You guys know I love a sticker. I'm like a child. Like I just think a sticker's actually sick. Oh yeah, prime place on me Sunstrip. Problems with lowering your car, guys, is you can't actually drive along a road. This has too much grass in the middle that we scrape the exhaust. So we got to reverse. That was like a no entry. Unless I want to rip the entire underneath of my car off. Didn't really work, that one? No.
It's scraped like fuck.
Really? Really bad? Yeah, I did see it and I thought, please come back. Because yeah, fucking hell, look at that. And that gets stupider. Bosh! Installed on my Audi A1. A massive shout out to Forge Motorsport for bringing me down, fitting it for me. I really appreciate it. I feel very grateful to work with them. So yeah, big love. Again, if you guys are interested in any Forge products, which I would recommend, obviously, they're super sick. Use my discount code, which I'll pop on the screen. I'll also leave it in the description down below to get you guys 10% off. I'm unfortunately going to end today's video here. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Follow me on Instagram at @chow_.oe. Follow Forge on Instagram at Forge Motorsport. Everything will be linked down below. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you, or will see you, in my next video. Bye!